innovative AI tools that are changing content creators' work processes, from ideation to production to editing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Descript, and Notion are redefining content creation, enhancing efficiency from ideation to editing. Following ChatGPT's debut, a surge in AI tools has revolutionized content creation with dynamic images, transcription, and video editing. The AI boom, triggered by ChatGPT, has introduced tools aiding various industries, enhancing productivity and creative processes. Experts argue AI is indispensable in content creation, boosting discovery, efficiency, and evaluation of success despite fears of redundancy. Creators favor tools like ChatGPT for scriptwriting and overcoming writer's block, showcasing AI's utility in enhancing creativity. Dolly, too, is praised for generating diverse images from descriptions, promising continued impact on collaborative creative work. Fireflies revolutionizes note-taking during virtual meetings, ensuring no detail is missed, demonstrating AI's role in streamlining content creation workflows.